I'm Cindy Zerger. I'm a landscape architect and public space designer, and I serve as the director of design here at Toole Design.
Hi, I'm Bill Schultheiss. I'm our director of engineering based in our Silver Spring headquarters.
It's been really fun to see design evolve here. We've evolved to be a real force within Toole, the team of landscape architects, of urban designers, of environmental graphic designers and graphic designers all working together. We're really rethinking the delivery of streetscape design and thinking about how we're embedding a landscape forward strategy into that, and really thinking about these spaces as linear landscapes.
And I think, that's a big reason that we founded our firm to be multidisciplinary from the start, is that the siloed approach to roadway projects wasn't serving our communities well, that we were fixated on traffic engineering to solve the traffic problem and move cars, but we didn't think about the impact that would have on the experience of the place.
I think that's so true, Bill. And I think, remember, we were really intentional in the way we set it up here. There was a point in time where we were considering a studio-based model for the landscape architecture team. And we said specifically, no, we don't think that's going to work. We want it to be embedded into project delivery and not have their own portfolio of work, but really work together in the collaboration.
The thing that is really, I think, empowering for them, but also for our clients, is we come to projects not with an engineering team with one landscape architect who's going to green up the project when the engineers are done, but they're partners in it. And, we are thinking about the experience of that space.
The biggest opportunity I think we have and real challenge is to meet the needs of what we anticipate for the future, and especially in this era where our utilities, they're at the point of the life cycle where they need to be upgraded, and we're seeing more flooding and more challenges to our public rights of way. It's really a time that I think a lot of communities are starting to rethink how those spaces can function, and that is they need to serve multiple functions, frankly. And the idea of just adding in a bike lane doesn't serve us anymore. It's about bringing that site design approach to these linear spaces so that they can, serve the community better, certainly from an experiential perspective, but also from an environmental and an ecological one as well.